Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC Reacts Only in New York Part 1. Let's get into it.
Immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including...
Before we start this, let me spoke to RJ with the 2 gifted. Appreciate you, RJ. There's some shit called Only in New York. I think I've seen these before.
Walk slow in a bubble. I don't know. Have y'all done that before? Take a moped on. I guess you got to, right? Guess you save gas by taking the subway.
Nigga got tired. Nigga got tired of driving the moped. Nigga ran out of gas or something.
Yeah, that must have been it.
Boy, his battery went out. This nigga's going on the train with a device. Like, what the fuck?
You gotta protect your mother. This is it, baby. This is it, baby. The streams, the forests, the oceans. This is all you have. This is it. This is it. Woo! You don't know. You don't know. You don't know why you're here.
Jump the turnstile. He said, y'all ain't gonna get me with these germs. What is that, y'all? Is that like a UFO?
The fuck is that? Bro, what the fuck is that, bro? Nigga, that's an alien, nigga.
This is really obnoxious. Like, somebody need to cut him down. That's ridiculous. Well, if you just go behind him and be like, snip, snip.
Bro, niggas be dead doing this shit too, bro. This thing got a Supreme shirt on. Supreme hammock. Shit Supreme though. Bro, a trampoline on the roof. Y'all niggas is wildin'. I'm not gonna lie. They ain't wildin' now. Like, I wouldn't even let my kids. I'm not jumping on no trampoline on the roof, bro.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Metro Man, here to save the day. Don't worry, if anyone has coronavirus, you don't have to worry about it. Hey, there he is! That's Disease Dude! He's here to spread disease! Hey, watch out! Man, how have you found me? Watch out, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stop! Oh! Hey, what are you doing? You'll never stop me. Hey, what are you doing? 3% mortality rate is all.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah.
I'll let you not hold on the highway and drive.
Yo, to the highway.
NYPD always fuckers. Well, and this nigga's professional, bro.
Taking it too far. First of all, they gotta pull bikes over on the freeway. Like, get out of here.
Like, bro. Like Pete with braids right there.
Hey, stop. In the name of the law, you bad guy.
If that car had a voice, that would be the voice. Like I said, let me out of
No, this shit is serious. My son in a whole motherfucking bubble.
Just him.
Corona is out here. Hide your kids, hide your wives, hide every fucking body, because they coming after everybody, bruh.
I'm with you. Shoot, I wouldn't be driving no cab without no bubble. What?
My son is taped off. I don't blame you, bruh.
What is it? It gotta be a rat. It gotta be a rat. This is New York. This is New York. Make us look bad.
Ratatouille gotta give places. Somebody go get 5 or what is up with that? He said, I got places to go too.
Regular shit.
Under you. Follow me. Oh my God, I'm here with this.
But just go to a different part.
Why did they just call the place?
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between
Oh my goodness!
transfer is available to the 6L, N, Q, R, and W train.
What the fuck are they doing?
Trains available to the N14. Select. Register.
Shit, I feel like
Yeah, your train is going down. You need to change cars like Claire said.
everything about to go to the dirt. King Kel, thank you for resubbing, man. Big ass rat, bro. That's a big ass rat. That nigga got a family, bro, at home.
He deserves it. What is he carrying?
He's working hard. Nigga, that's a McDouble.
An egg McMuffin.
It's an egg McMuffin. Bro, that's a fake tongue. That's a fake tongue. Cause that's nasty. Niggas be ODing. Yo, what is that? It's a fucking alien? Who's that? Can we see a face?
2020 get out of control, man. For real. Yo. No, cool. Mira, te tiene el baby.
Yo, there's a baby under there, Mo. No way.
Get out of control, man. For real. Yo.
Bro, there's a baby on there right there, bro. Like there's 2 babies.
No,
get a double stroller.
Baby, yo. Oh, man.
Nah,
Watch this reporter.
This is dangling. You need to just go here and walk if you gotta be in the stroller like that.
He's in New York. Watch the people behind him. Watch this. Like
New York don't let these
what the
niggas
hell?
live, bro.
Watch him and him.
He got a perimeter for his social distancing. That's crazy. Like, I got your 6 feet.
Yeah, that shit is eating peanut butter.
He's like
fuck a nut.
He on that peanut see him? He got to attach his jaw.
Nigga, when did niggas start creaming it? Nigga wondering when did they start creaming the nuts, Mo? The peanuts. This cream shit is crazy. Yo. I can't hear. All right. Nah, don't clip that. Don't clip that.
Only in New York, dude. It's like a microwave. Thank you. Got a microwave. I'm not playing on it. Oh, that's good though. What's going on, dude?
Microwaving chicken in the middle of the block?
That's good though. What's going on, dude?
That shit do not look good, nigga. Well, that's wild talented though. He's not young. That would give me goosebumps, bro. Like, what the fuck is that, bro? Like this, these are the niggas that say this is fashion right here. This is fashion.
Stand clear of the closing door.
He know he got recorded too.
Coño, súbeme la música.
Niggas got Bluetooth on the train. That's tough.
All right. Why you cry like a baby? Why that man yell like a baby?
I got your Corona package. You get 2 men and you get 2 sets of gloves for only $5. Now who want to live? That's all I want to know.
Nah.
That's not a bad deal, no play. He said who want to live. Y'all crazy.
This nigga said, who wanna live though? Who wanna live is crazy. Who wanna live, bro?
Right, he got the beat. He got the beat. He got the beat. He say rock with it, sway with it, gotcha. He say move the hips, go with the hips.
She's jamming.
Sorry.
Mr. Space right there. That's where I am. Like, what was that? Like, what is going on?
Yo, bro, that be my face most of the times when I go out. This be my face right here. I be like...
Okay.
Nah, he's busy.
Okay.
He's busy.
Gotta stay clean, y'all. Boom. Look, it's not
Bro,
over.
the hat is not touching the floor, gang.
Oh.
The flips in the hat making it for me.
The hat did not touch the floor, gangy.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care.